I will send in the I will upload in the YouTube lah. Okay. Alright, at 425 degrees Celsius, Kp is 4.18 times 10 to the power negative 9 for the reaction. So we write the equation 2 HBr gas in equilibrium with H2 gas and Br2 gas. Okay. The Kp is given as 4.18 times 10 to the power negative 9. In one experiment, 0.2 atm of HBr, 0.01 atm, okay, saya terus tulislah, 0.2 atm of HBr, 0.10 atm of H2, and 0.010 atm of Br2 are introduced into a container. So calculate the QP. Okay, dia suruh kira QP. Q ini first time kita belajar Q So QP. Cara menulis QP, how to write QP? Same like KP. Right hand side of the equation divide by left hand side. So QP equals to PH2 PBr2 right hand side divide by PHBr power 2. Dapat tak dekat screen? Dapat Dapat okay. So PH2 multiply with PBr2 divide by PHBr power 2. Okay, then kita gantikanlah semua nilai tu. We try to substitute. PH2 is 0.01 multiply with PBr2 0.01 divide by PHBr is 0.2 power 2. Do not forget ada power 2. Okay, try to calculate. Berapa dapat? Sure. 2.5 2.5 times 10 to power minus 3. Betul ke? Betul Okay. Now kita jawapan kita move to next slide Next slide. This is a complete answer lah. Kita kena beritahu, kita kena compare. We have to compare Kp with QP. Okay, compare Kp with QP. When we compare QP with Kp, so Kp just now 4.18 times 10 to power negative 9. QP is 2.5 times 10 to power minus 3. Okay, so when we compare, we find that since your QP, since your QP greater ke lesser than KP? QP adalah QP lesser than KP, betul? Which one is smaller? Times 10 to power negative 3 or times to power negative 9? Negative 9 is smaller. So maksudnya QP kita greater than KP, betul? Dia bukan QP less than KP QP is greater than KP. Sebab apa? QP times 10 to power negative 3. Tapi KP sangat sikit, negative 9. So, ini kita akan sebut when since QP greater than KP, equilibrium position will shift from right to left. Okay, from right to left. Ataupun you also can say since QP greater than KP, equilibrium position will shift backward or will move reverse. Boleh lah. Kemudian kita sambung lagi until the new equilibrium is re-established. Until the new equilibrium is re-established. Maksudnya, since QP greater than KP, equilibrium akan bergerak daripada kanan ke kiri sehingga sistem kembali ke keseimbangan. Okay, or new equilibrium is re-established. Then if you want to add points, you can say that what will happen during that time when they move daripada right to left. So we will find that amount of siapa berada di kanan? H2 and BR2 kan? Amount of H2 and BR2 will decrease sebab dia bergerak ke kiri kan? While amount of HBr will increase. That's all, the answer. So, you kena check dengan table dalam nota. You have to check with the table in the notes. There are 3 condition. Okay, or maybe you can listen to me first lah. 3 condition. If QP greater than KP, equilibrium shift backward. Okay. If QP less than KP, equilibrium shift forward. Okay. And if QP and KP is same, no changes in the equilibrium position. Ataupun equilibrium position remain unchanged. Boleh, 3 condition. Okay, I repeat again one more time. If QP greater than KP, equilibrium position shift backward. Okay. If QP less than KP, equilibrium position will shift forward. And if if QP and KP is equal, equilibrium position remain unchanged. Ini untuk QP, sama juga untuk QC. Same. So we already calculate the QP, and at the same time, we already answer the question 7B, right?